In the last 30 years, there's been a substantial divergence in the life expectancy across U.S. counties. Nationally, life expectancy increased by about 5 years during this period. Counties where life expectancy increased by more than 5 years, by and large, went for Hillary Clinton. Counties where life expectancy increased by less than 5 years, by and large, went for Donald Trump. In counties that have been left behind in terms of life expectancy gains, their residents abandoned the Democratic Party. The irony of this all is that since coming to power, Trump has proposed legislation and policy changes that would substantially negatively impact population health, including of those people in counties that voted for him. This poses the question, will the Trump administration and Republicans in Congress respond to the health needs of those who put them into power and enact policies that will support population health in those areas?